Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Dirt Rally 2.0. We are in Australia. This is my 7th season. First rally, 3rd and 4th stages.
Starts 30,
Look at those lights. Those are
6 left
sweet.
over crest into deceptive, 6 right, and turn square left.
So this is stock. So it occurred to me that maybe that's why nothing's been upgraded, including the ability to upgrade. I have to open that stuff up, so I probably should have looked at that before I even started. Rookie move, perhaps. Let's get that sign off. Look at that grid. That's awesome. So completely stock, and I'm not. No wonder I'm not keeping up with. I mean, it's not just the driving; it's the driving, but also this is very much stock. So I know once I upgraded the GTI, holy cow, it was a rocket compared to what it was stock. So sadly, I think I have to do the entire rally. Whoa, that thing drifts. It really drifts. The other car did not do that. I can usually roll, I can coast, and it'll go straight. This thing will, watch that, will drift. The front end wanders quite a bit, so let's just do the best we can. That's all I can do. I kind of thought my pit crew would do the upgrades for me and make sure that, I think they're trying to teach me a lesson, that I should be more involved as a driver and know the status of the car. I get it. So team, if you're listening, okay, I get it. This is going to be a long... Ooh! I remember that. Oh, no. Oh, I remember that one. I've been there before. Oh. Sad. It's a sad day. But they are beautiful storm clouds in the sky. Always look for the positive. Just have to learn the car. That's it. Learn the car. And maybe that's the whole thing. Maybe I can't handle full power right now. So trying to teach me a lesson to drive at the stock settings. Because if I can't handle it now, I'm not going to be able to handle it when they turn it loose with full power and full upgrades. So, okay. All right. Treat me like a rookie. Sometimes the team knows best. They're looking at my history and my driving style and my abilities. I love the air though with this thing. That's new. Let's go straight. Watch the fence. But it's not fun starting. The lessons aren't fun. The lessons they're trying to teach me aren't fun. Got a little tarmac here, maybe? Ooh, I think this is actually where I had the problems with was the tarmac with the front end. But we'll see. Just gentle. 6 jump long, 6 right. Careful, fence. Whoa, bridge. Huh. Woo, bridge. I just don't want to lose a tire, okay? I just would like to keep all my tires today, please. So today's goal, start and finish with 4 tires. It's the small things in life I've got from counting them. It's like counting your fingers. Make sure you have 10. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a green section. Woo! So the little celebrations in life sometimes, right? It's the little things. I got a green section. That's my first green section driving the kit car. So small victories lead to big victories. Bridge. That's how it starts. You start with little baby victories, like, okay, I know where the brake and the gas are. Victory. Ooh, another bridge. Whoa, finish. That was a crazy little finish there. Oh, another green section. 2 greens in a row. Okay. Promising. That's That's all I can say.
Tough,
That's all I can say.
fast.
I was fastest in 2 sections. That's a victory. 19th is not such a victory. How can you be fastest in 2 sections and still be 19th, man? Look at that. So 10 seconds off the pace. 25th overall. This is stage 4. Season 7, and
Crest.
I am
50,
driving the
flat
Volkswagen
left over
kit
big
car
jump 50,
for the first,
luck.
not the first time, but first rally.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80. Crest 50.
Look at that. Leave some rubber. Left some rubber on the tarmac.
6 right, 120. 6 right of a jump.
The thing that's fun about this is every every stage could be disastrous. I think that's what's so fun about the game. You know, you could roll and flip and destroy this car with one little mistake.
Middle of a big jump, 50.
And between your brain, your eyes, your brain, and your hands are thousands of decisions. I love that.
Into 6 left.
Every stage.
Into 5 left long tightens, tight 3 over crest. Into 4 right long over
Ooh,
crest.
I remember this.
Into
Crap.
5 left. 50.
I remember that corner. I wish there was a guardrail there, but there's not. So, yeah. Oh
5 right.
man,
Into
come on.
don't cut, 3 left.
Okay, slow
Middle of a
is
crest,
smooth.
Caution 30. 2 right,
Smooth.
tightens over crest.
Smooth is
narrow.
fast. So this actually probably is not even as fast as my GTI was because this thing is stock. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't so much faster and better, but it has not been upgraded. So you have to earn some time behind the wheel in a car. I talked about that in the previous episode.
Into 4 left long of a crest, tightens 2.
You have to
Into 4 right
upgrade
long, tightens. Into 5 left.
each new car
Into
that
5
you
right.
drive.
Into
It's
3
been so
left,
long
tightens over
since I
crest, 30.
had a new car, I didn't even think about it, and I don't know if I could have anyway. I don't
6 right,
remember.
opens of a jump maybe.
All I sort of
Caution
remember is
slow,
you have to
30.
put some miles in before you
6 right of a crest long into 1 left.
somehow earn the right to upgrade the
30.
car. I'm not sure
Crest.
how to justify
Into
that,
right
but
tightens. Into 2 left. Into 2 right of a crest long. 50. Unseen. 2 right tightens. 30. 5 right.
okay. Woo!
30. 4 left long of a crest. Tightens 3 narrow. Into 6 right.
Come on.
50
Let's go.
of a crest. 5 right long. Into 3 left. Tightens of a crest. Into 2 right tightens.
Wall. Yep, I knew that. I
Into 2
felt
left
that
of
one
a crest,
coming.
tightens.
Ugh.
50.
It's just a couple corners that you just know always give you a hard time, but you don't.
6 left.
I don't
30.
recognize
6
them
right, 5 left.
until I crash.
30.
I don't like. Oh,
5 right
yeah. I mean,
long,
it's split
opens of a
second.
crest.
Too late.
30. Caution narrow. 4 right tightens. Into 4 left. 50. Crest and short 3 left. Opens over crest. 30. 5 right. 5 left. 5 right tightens. 30. 3 right. Into 4 left of a jump. Tightens 2.
4 left jump.
Opens of a crest long.
Now what I'm
30.
working on.
4 left of a crest.
Oh, it's the
opens
same kind of
30.
corner. Let's go, little VW. What I'm working on, I say after I go off into the trees,
4 right long.
is not having to look at every corner icon, which I've been doing. 6 seasons of that. I look at every single, I visually look and connect with what's coming up. I'm trying to be a better listener, and if I mean, luckily they're kind of color coordinated, and I should be able to just hear him, and I just do what he. I should be able to keep my eyes on the road more. Is what I'm saying.
Tightens 2, opens of a crest, 30. 6 left of a crest.
Oh, I actually want a section. I see a little green in the lower left. Whoa. What? Okay, this is a sharp. All right, I saw that.
And 6 right of a crest long. Tightens 4.
So I think every second that every split second that I take my eyes off the road, I mean, it's a combination of me using a controller, so it's flick, 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 flick. Also, my eyes are flicking because I'm looking up at the icons and then back down, and by that time it's too late. So all these little things trying to improve on.
Crest, 50. Keep left of a crest into 4 left long, 30.
So if I just hear him say 4 left long, I can just do that.
3 right long.
But I do lose track, so I do have to look up once in a while, because I'm like, what was the last one? So, can you repeat that? There is no repeat. There is no repeat mode.
5 left of a crest, very long, tightens 2 long.
Fences.
Into 4 right long.
Fences, speaking of fences. Yeah, I knew that.
Opens very long, past junction.
Yeah, just, again, split second too late when I knew I was going just a little too fast for that. But
into 6
right.
right.
Learning.
Crest,
it's all a learning opportunity.
Caution, 3 right of a crest, tightens. Into 2 left.
Okay. Yep. I remember this one too. Just a
right
bang,
long.
bang left, bang right. Sorry, farmer. I'll come back and fix that for you later.
3 left long, tightens.
For the moment, I'm a little busy, but
100. Flat middle of a crest, 80. 5 right long, opens of a crest, 30. 5 left long, tightens. Into 3 right, tightens.
Let's go.
Into
Let's
3
go.
left.
Okay. Just gotta learn the car.
Right.
You know.
Opens 30.
I've only done 3 stages in this car
2
ever.
Right, tightens cut maybe of a crest. Into caution. 4 left of a crest.
I'll get it.
4 right.
I was ready for a change, and I admit that. I could have stuck with the GTI and probably, had a better chance to finish top 3. 23 seconds behind. Dude, that's terrible. Jump! Oh, fence! Alright. Save that. 4 left.
Into 4 left. Opens of a crest. Into 5 right of a jump. Into 4 left long. Tarmac.
Tarmac coming.
50. 6 left. Opens of a crest. Into 5 right.
Opens of a crest.
Opens
5
of a
right.
crest. Into 5 left.
Okay, 5 2 5s.
100.
That means fast speed.
Flat right of a jump long.
Should be a short
80.
one coming then, like a
Caution of a narrow bridge. 2 left.
bridge. That's what's coming. Careful. Straighten it out. Ugh. It doesn't follow.
3 right.
It doesn't track like the GTI did.
4 left of a crest. 50.
Probably just that extra horsepower. Left.
4 left long. Tightens 3 of a crest.
3 of a crest.
Into 4 right. Don't cut. Opens.
Come on.
To flat middle of a crest. Into 5 left. Into 4 right long.
Okay.
Tightens. To flat middle of a crest. 100.
Woohoo!
Into 6 right.
So much
Into
fun.
caution, 4 left.
It is so
Opens into
fun.
narrow bridge.
Regardless of what place
60.
I'm in, it's just fun.
6 right. Into 5 left long.
Bridge.
Opens 30.
Tarmac.
4 left long of a crest. Tightens back camber.
Let's go. Full speed here. Slow. Bridge.
Into 2 right long.
Bridge.
Tightens of a finish.
Okay.
80.
2. Finish.
To stop.
Full speed. There we go. Oh, okay. So 3 sections were mine. Fastest. So, okay. you know,
How did the car feel in that stage?
baby steps, baby steps.
Do you want to
They're
make any
arguing.
setup changes
So
at the
they're
next
arguing.
service?
Is that top 5 when they're arguing or no? No, I didn't think so. When they're arguing, it's usually not great. 19th, ladies and gentlemen, 19th. 25th overall in stage 4. 25th. All right, next time around, we will come back and do 5 and 6 together. I'll catch you then, I hope. It's a fun journey. Continue to learn, get faster in this car. I really like the V-dubs, so thank you, Volkswagen. I'm a fan of the car. I will get it under control and do better. I'll catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.